Hey everyone, welcome back to Sherry Vans. Today I have a really unique van to show you today. This is an all-new van. It's on the Ram ProMaster chassis, the 159-inch wheelbase, raised roof, and it's a window van. And being a really unique van, this van has a ton of purposes. So this van is built for wheelchair purposes, but what we found is a lot of our customers buy these vans for their business, whether it's they deliver heavy items such as printers and IT equipment, or maybe they're a vendor where they supply gas stations with different goods. And other customers have bought it for their pets to get their dog in and out. Just super convenient, a lot of uses. Florists love them because it's a climate controlled van, where your typical cargo van is not going to be climate controlled in the rear of the van, where this one is 100% heat and air conditioning in the rear of the van. So let's just take a look here. It has a pull out aluminum ramp, very easy to pull out. It's assisted by two gas-filled shocks, so that helps you in lowering it and raising it. A 34-inch wide ramp. This being on the Ram ProMaster allows us to lower the suspension on it to allow for a nice, easy approach into the van itself. So if you have a dolly, full of heavy equipment or goods, you can easily get that dolly up into the rear of the van and get it stowed in here. The floor has a commercial grade floor with the Q-Strant tie down hook system in it. What it is, it's a hook system channels that run throughout this floor, and the Q-Strants are kind of like a ratchet strap, so you can secure your goods down in the floor. Also, of course, if you have a wheelchair, it's made for that purpose. But just kind of marketing towards the other business type use. A really cool van. Now there's 3 chairs here, 3 seats here that can be removed or placed anywhere along this track system just with a couple tools. Here's your rear heat and air conditioning system to control the climate back here in this whole area. So if you have perishable goods or flowers, something of that sort that can't be in the really hot or the really cold, then this is a great van for you. The whole inside is finished out, as you can see, has LED lighting in here. I'm 6 foot tall, and you can tell I can stand up here. I don't have to crouch down. I think it's just over 6 foot tall in the interior height here. So just a nice height on the van itself. Also, let me show you here. We'll go around to the side. If you have maybe a pallet, you go to a store and they got a pallet and a forklift and they want to load you up with goods, this has the side entry here. And you, of course, can remove those seats, and you can put a pallet right here, right in the side, and then get your dolly and wheel it out one by one as you go to your individual businesses. So it's just really a practical van. Just want to get the idea juices flowing in your head how you can use this for your particular business, whatever that might be. We'll go ahead and cut, and we'll check out the inside on the driving compartment of this all-new Ram ProMaster. So up front here, the couple options this van has, it has the upgraded vinyl wrap seats, commercial grade vinyl, so they're going to wear really good. Now this is a front wheel drive van, like I mentioned earlier, so it does great in all types of weather conditions, snow, rain, what have you, and also really good turning radius in these Ram vans. So if you get in tight parking lots a lot, these are super convenient compared to your giant box truck that you're used to driving out there. Has full capabilities, has backup monitor here. Go ahead and fire it up here. Backup monitor, your 5-inch touchscreen, of course, AM, FM radio. Your heat and air conditioning controls for the rear heat is right over here at your fingertips, and you can control temperature right here on your normal air conditioning. So it's quite the van. We welcome you to come check out. Financing is available on this entire package, and it's a great price on it if you look at it. And if you have a trade, we definitely welcome that as well. And we'll look for the opportunity to earn your business on the whole package. So with that, my name's Mike. Brian's behind the camera, and this is this awesome brand new Ram multi-purpose van.